Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a nice Saturday morning here in St. Kitts. And this is the boy, Bucky Got It. And I'm live, powered by the flow, always on plan. Make sure to get your phone tap up. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and IG. And anything else of social media. Bucky Got It. Well, we just had the tropical storm passes our way. I think it passed more south of us. So I'm here by Old Road Breakwater, and I'm just showing you some of the impact that the storm has left behind. Some high seas, and it's pounding. Not sure how far over I will be able to go, because as you can see, the water is definitely pounding on the rocks. That's why it is very important to get these capital projects completed. On the other side, that is Spotnet there. So, let me see how far out I can go. Don't worry, Bucky not gonna get drowned and not gonna get washed away. So, it's still holding. This work is being undertaken by Mr. Reggie Francis of St. Kitts Marine Works. So it's a nice long breakwater around here for the fishermen in the area. And as you see, all of the guys have already moved their boats, because you never know what will happen. Place still a little cloudy, overcast. I'm seeing some badge. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you. There's some badge out in the water. Usually these come from Center Station, and they usually just circle around outside in the calm water, and then they're gonna head back to Station. So as you see, definitely, it's raining a bit, so zooming in and out sometimes it's a bit difficult. Okay, there you have it. So the water is still pounding, so definitely there is no sea bathing. Absolutely no sea bathing in this area until it calms down. The water is also muddy. I don't think anybody will really want to venture into this area. Definitely not. So I'm just bringing you just some coverage, letting people know that the breakwater here that has begun a couple months ago still holding firm, and I just wanted to complete. And this is a project undergo by Team Unity. And this is the area of constituency number 4 of the Honorable Lindsey Grant. See, I was tempting on going out there, but I just did a way of coming there. So I can go. I would have, oh boy. Yeah, I would have loved to go all the way down to the end, but it's not the best thing to do right now. You don't want Bucky to get trapped between those rocks. So those of you who are viewing the live, it's powered by the flow, always on plan. those of you who are overseas and you have good weather, we're here in St. Kitts. Not too bad, as you can see the let me show the sky. We have a few. As you can see, not too bad. Drizzle rain right now. Drizzle rain. I just see some of the guys them have the vessel just across there. So it's safe. It's safe to be there because you have these rocks here, and more of these big rocks will be placed here. So it's starting to rain again now, and the river is running down into the sea. Watching from Philadelphia, welcome. Thanks for viewing the live. Good morning everyone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you another footage. So stick and stay. I'll be right back. I'm just bringing some updates and Old Road, which is my area, and the development, what the TMU Unity government is doing, and how it withstand against the tropical storm that we have just experienced. So we definitely need this project to finish. Otherwise, as the old people say, it will be just a waste of money because you will have to start all back over again. So I'm here appealing to the government and Mr. Reginald Francis of St. Kitts Marine Works to get this project completed, so the guys won't have to move the vessel out of this area. We'll be able to just sit there. As you see, the water inside here is very calm, and that's the whole idea of it. Old Road is a very historical site. Here is where Mr. Sir Thomas Warner came ashore, and for those of you who didn't know, Sir Thomas Warner is the first English governor of the Eastern Caribbean. He came ashore somewhere in this area. So this is actually a historical site. I can see we can use this area to attract yachts and different persons to come and view. It's a nice view from out there, looking at the volcano and looking at the mountainside. There are some persons, especially like in places like Miami, who don't have hills. It's a very good, sightseeing in Old Road. So thanks for viewing this live. This is Bucky Got It. Like I said, I'll be right back in about 5 minutes with another coverage of another area, just to let you know what is going on here in St. Kitts. Over and out for now. I will be right back.